Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Converting Pseudocode to Python Code, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Pseudocode is an essential tool for planning and designing algorithms before actual coding. While it provides a high-level representation of the logic, converting it into a programming language like Python requires attention to syntax and structure. This tutorial will guide you through the process of converting pseudocode into Python code with practical examples. Step 1. Understand the pseudocode. Before starting the conversion, thoroughly understand the pseudocode. Break it down into smaller steps and identify the key control structures, such as loops and conditionals. Example pseudocode. Step 2. Translate variables and operations. Identify variables and operations in the pseudocode and convert them into valid Python syntax. Example Python code. Step 3. Handle control structures. Translate pseudocode control structures into Python's corresponding syntax. For example, replace for loops with for loops, and if statements with if statements. Step 4. Adapt to Python's indexing. If your pseudocode involves array or list manipulation, be aware of Python's zero-based indexing. Adjust index references accordingly. Example pseudocode. Example Python code. Step 5. Address data types. Ensure that variables are correctly typed in Python. For instance, explicitly declare arrays or lists, and be mindful of data types in mathematical operations. Example pseudocode. Example Python code. Step 6. Test and debug. After converting the pseudocode to Python code, thoroughly test and debug your program. Pay attention to logical errors, syntax issues, and unexpected behavior. Conclusion. Converting pseudocode to Python code is a crucial skill for any programmer. By understanding the logical flow, translating variables and operations, handling control structures, adapting to Python's indexing, addressing data types, and testing thoroughly, you can successfully convert pseudocode into functional Python programs. Practice and experience will enhance your proficiency in this process. ChatGPT